In this video, we'll look at multiplying and dividing mixed numbers. The first question we have is 3½ times 2 3/5. So for multiplying these two mixed numbers, we have to first convert them into improper fractions. So 3½ can be converted to a improper fraction. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. Divide by 2. And 2 3/5 can be converted to a improper fraction. If we multiply 5 by 2, that's 10 plus 3 is 13. So we have 7 by 2 times 13 by 5. We now multiply the numerators together and the denominators. 7 times 13 is 91. And 5 times 2 is 10. This is an improper fraction. Now we have to again convert this into a mixed number. 10 times 9 is 90. And the remainder is 1. Since 1 is now less than 10, we cannot go any further. We have to now convert this. So we draw a line. 9 goes to the left, 10 moves to the bottom, and 1 moves to the top. So this is our answer, 9 1/10. The next question is 1 3/4 times 2/3. We convert 1 3/4 to a improper fraction. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 3 is 7, times 2/3. Now we can see that we are multiplying two fractions together, and we have numbers in the numerator and denominator that can be simplified. 4 is a multiple of 2, so we divide both 4 and 2 by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. This gives us 7 by 2 times 1 by 3, and this is equal to, we multiply the numerators together and the denominators, so this is 7 divided by 6. This is an improper fraction, so we have to again convert this into a mixed number. 6 times 1 is 6. The remainder is 1. So we draw a line like this. 1 moves to the left, 6 moves to the bottom, and 1 moves again to the top. So this is our answer, 1 1/6. The next question is 1 3/4 divided by 2/3. First, what we are going to do is we're going to convert this mixed number into an improper fraction. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 3 is 7. 7 divided by 4, divided by 2/3. Now we are going to convert this into a multiplication sign. We write 7 by 4. Instead of the division sign, we write a multiplication sign. And then when we do this, we take the fraction that is after the division sign and we switch its numerator and denominator. So its denominator will become its numerator and its numerator will become its denominator. So we will write it 3 by 2. So now we can multiply these fractions together. 7 times 3 is 21 and 4 times 2 is 8. This is again an improper fraction. We will now convert this into a mixed number. The closest we can get to 21 is if we multiply 8 by 2, which gives us 16. If we subtract, we get 5. And 5, our remainder, is less than the divisor 8. So we can now write this as a mixed number. We draw arrows like this. 2 goes to the left. 8 becomes the denominator, and 5 moves here to the numerator. So this is our answer, 2 5/8. Our final question for today is 4 1/2 divided by 2 1/3. We first convert both of them into improper fractions. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. And now we convert this division sign to a multiplication sign. And when we do that, we take the fraction after it and we switch its numerator and denominator. And now we multiply these fractions together. We multiply the numerators first. 9 times 3 is 27. And 7 times 2 is 14. This is an improper fraction. We now convert this into a mixed number. 14 times 1 is 14. And the remainder is 13. 13 is less than 14, so now we can write this as a mixed number. We draw a line like this. 1 moves to the left. 14 becomes the denominator and 13 becomes the numerator. So this is our answer. So that was the video for today. It was about multiplying and dividing mixed numbers. If you liked the video, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.